Hey, Gorilla Birding Journal here. It is February 12th, 2023, about 1 p.m. Really gorgeous day today, really clear. Said the highs were supposed to get into like the mid-upper 50s, I think. But I am back at the what used to be the bean field at the back of Armleder. And I'm hoping the camera is picking up the amount of sound that was going on. They do that every once in a while. They'll just stop cold for a minute. But it's mostly red-winged blackbirds that I'm hearing and seeing. I think starlings as well. And actually, there's a couple of little guys out here. Seeing if I can get to them here. But either way, I just wanted to capture this because it is a heck of a lot of noise right now.